Welcome to Study Loop.
Part A of our question would like us to calculate the radius of curvature. So the radius of curvature r is equal to, by definition, 2 times the focal length. So plug in the value for the focal length and we find the radius of curvature is equal to 36 centimeters. And we can box that in as our solution for part A. Part B wants us to find the location of the image that is produced, since we know relative to the mirror here, since we know the object that is producing that image is distance p from that mirror. So by definition, this is 1 over p plus 1 over I is equal to 1 over the focal length f. So we just simply have to rearrange this equation to solve for I, because we know the focal length and we know the object distance p. We find that I is equal to p times f divided by p minus f. So plugging our values for p and f into this equation, we find that I is equal to negative 36 centimeters, which can be boxed in as our solution for part B. Part C wants us to find the magnification. So now that we know the image distance, we can do that, since magnification m is negative I divided by p. So plugging our values for I and p, we find that magnification is equal to positive 3. Which you can box in as our solution for part C. Part D wants to know if the image that is formed is real or virtual. So in order to solve that, we just simply have to look at the sign of the value for the image in part B. It's negative. So since it's negative, that means it's formed on the opposite side, or a virtual image. So we can say since I is negative, that image is virtual. Part E wants to know if the image that is formed is upright or if it's inverted. So to do that, we just have to look at the sign. We just have to look at the sign of the magnification. And magnification was positive 3. So since m is positive, the image is upright. And then part F wants to know if the image that is formed is on the same side or the opposite side of the object that formed it. But since it's virtual and it's negative, that means it's formed on the opposite side. So we can say since I is virtual, it is on the opposite side. And we can box that in as our solution for part F. There's a misspelling there. This is virtual. Yeah, next we're just going to have to hand draw the L. Virtual.